In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect a credit card from QuickBooks Online banking. If you're looking to stop new transactions from flowing into QuickBooks, but you want to keep your existing history intact, this walkthrough is for you. Disconnecting a feed is a safe way to pause the connection to your bank or credit card without deleting any past data or affecting your reconciliations. You can reconnect later if needed, and your records will still be right where you left them. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and heading to the banking area. On the left navigation, click Banking. Depending on your layout, you might see Transactions first. If so, choose Banking under that. This takes you to the Banking tab where all your connected accounts are displayed as tiles across the top. Take a moment to make sure you're on the correct company file and that you're viewing the correct credit card tile, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Next, select the specific credit card account you want to remove from automatic syncing. Click the tile so it's highlighted. At the top right corner of that account box, look for the small pencil icon. This is the Edit option. Click it to open the Edit Account window. This is where you control the connection status for that card. Inside the Edit Account window, find the option labeled Disconnect this account on Save, or wording very similar to that. Selecting this option tells QuickBooks to stop pulling in new transactions from the financial institution. It won't delete the account, it won't erase any transactions you've already downloaded or categorized, and it won't undo your reconciliations. It simply pauses the live bank feed. Once you've selected the disconnect option, click Save and Close. After you save, QuickBooks will no longer sync new activity for that card. You'll notice that the account will show as disconnected, and future bank updates won't bring in additional transactions. Any past transactions you've already accepted will remain in your books. If you had items still sitting in the For Review tab before you disconnected, those will remain there until you decide how to handle them. If you ever need to bring in future activity later, you can reconnect the account or upload transactions manually from a CSV file. That's all it takes. You've successfully disconnected a credit card in QuickBooks Online while preserving your history. This is especially helpful when replacing cards, troubleshooting duplicate downloads, or pausing feeds during a cleanup.